Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, January 27, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to talk to you about a system, a turnkey residual system that pays 80% commissions. All right, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years, full-time since 2018, and I enjoy helping people supplement or replace their income using social media and direct mail marketing. So most people go around chasing the new programs, right? You know, they have the shiny object syndrome. I talk about it on my channel all the time. I had it for 10 years. And this system is not new, but it's structured differently. All right, and what I mean by that is everything is done for you. The only thing you have to do is drive traffic over to the capture page. All right, you don't have to worry about the autoresponders, have an AWeber or get response. You don't have to worry about the sales page. There's a free lead magnet. It's a book, which is really, it's a well written and laid out perfectly. And they will pay you 80% commissions, okay? 80% commissions, which there's no other opportunity that pays 80% commissions monthly on all of your referrals. So the cool thing about this is that you only need 24 people to go all in with this opportunity to be earning a full-time income. All right, 24 people to go all in to be earning a full-time income. That's either going to supplement or replace the majority of people's income. Okay? So I'll leave the link down below. You can go to workwithruss.com, workwithruss.com, check it out. All right, again, this is not a new program. It's been around for 10 years now. It's a solid program. It has solid owners. They do everything the right way, super transparent. We have weekly calls. We have a social media platform inside our back office. It's just top notch, okay? It's top notch. And again, 24 people is all you need to earn a full-time income with this opportunity. And when you join me, I'm going to give you 80 plus resources that you can use to share your capture page online so that you can start getting people into your capture page and letting the system do all the selling and telling for you. I'm telling you, this is genius. You share your link, the system does everything else. All right? You don't have to worry about anything else. And it's affordable for everybody. It's affordable for everybody. And I don't know of any other opportunities out there that you only need 24 people to make a full-time income. You know? It just... And I can't guarantee that you're going to make any money if you join me. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I have people joining this all the time. And there's people who have never made any money online before making money with this. Because it's just that, it's that good. Okay? It's that good. But, you know, there's no tech headaches. You don't need to know anything. You just need to have a solid work ethic. Be willing to show up every day and put in some work. And we have trainings, we have weekly meetings, we have morning calls. I mean, it's just awesome. You know, and you can use it to build any business. So if you're already in a business like I am, I'm in multiple businesses, right? I use this platform for the trainings, for the community, for the tools that we have. It's just awesome, okay? And then if you don't have an opportunity, it's a complete business in a box by itself. So it really is, you know, it pairs well with any opportunity, or it can be a standalone business in a box that pays 80% monthly residuals. So, I mean, it's worth checking out, all right? I'll leave a link down below. I'm actually heading into the post office. I got a stack of letters here that I'm mailing out. It's been snowing here for the last 2 days, and it's finally stopped. So I'm out of the house today. running errands, going to drop off more letters that I put together. And yeah, so go and check it out, workwithruss.com. There'll be a link down below this video. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And you know, it's awesome. It's just a really cool platform. All right, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.